not Easter.
What are these things for?
I don't know. I was cleaning up.
I see what's in there.
Okay.
Where's the broccoli?
Broccoli?
Broccoli.
Easter Bunny brought broccoli?
What else? That's not right.
Yes, it is. Let's see what's in this egg. Nothing?
Nothing.
Nope, nothing. Berry!
A berry?
See?
Oh, are you gonna eat it?
No. Let's see what's in this one.
Okay.
Carrot! Let's see what's in this one. Something.
Maybe some special candy?
Broccoli! Broccoli.
That's cool.
Let's see what's in this one. Nothing. What's in here? Nothing. Nothing. There's nothing. Huh? What's in this paper? Nothing. What is this?
You know what it is?
What?
April Fools. You love me?
Yes, I do.